Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of strength of material. The topic is deflection. Question number 7, 8 and 9 carries a common statement. The statement is a simply supported beam is subjected to a point bending moment at midpoint. The deflection of the midpoint is question number 7 is this. Option A ml square by 24 EI, option B ml square by 48 EI, option C 0 and option D ml square by 3 EI. Question number 8 is in the above case the slope at the midpoint is, we have to find the slope, we have to find out the deflection. Okay. And question number 9 is in this case the slope at the end point, we have to find out slope at end point. Okay. So there are three questions. First question is slope at the deflection at midpoint, second is slope at midpoint, and third is slope at endpoint. So using Macaulay's method, first of all finding out the reactions RA taking moment about B, so RA into L is clockwise and M is also clockwise, so RA is your minus M by L. Okay. So now using Macaulay's method, so using EI d square by dx square is equal to mx is RA into x, okay, and as the effect of RA in the moment is on the whole section throughout x, and effect of M is only on this section. Okay, so while taking M, we will introduce mx minus L by 2 raised power 0. So whenever this term comes out as positive, this will be taken. Okay, and this term will come positive after L by 2. Okay, this term will be taken, and whenever the this term comes out negative, it will be omitted. So we will take mx minus L by 2 raised power 0. Okay, overall it means 1. X minus L by 2 raised power 0 is 1, but this is a method, this is Macaulay's method, so we have to introduce this term to uh, to to pronounce the effect of this M in this section. Okay, so now integrating according to Macaulay's method. So according to Macaulay's method, if we integrate it, then it will be EI dy by dx, and this is Rax squared by 2, and will not separate these terms. Okay, we'll take this whole as a variable. We'll do integration like that. We'll increase power by 1 and divide it by 1. So mx minus L by 2 is power 1 divided by 1 and plus C1. Okay. So now again integrating, so it is EI by Rax cubed by 6 mx minus L by 2 square by 2 plus C1x plus C2. Okay. Now the boundary condition are x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, it means this is 0, this point. This is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, so C2 will be 0. Okay, and another boundary condition is x is equal to L, y is equal to 0. There will also not be any replacement. Okay, y is equal to 0, this is simply supported. So now we put here RA L x is equal to L. Here it will be RA L cube by 6. Here it will be RA L minus L by 2 square by 2, and this will be C1 L because C2 is already 0. Okay, from this we can find out C1. So C1 is ml by 24. Okay, now these two equations, after putting the value of C1 and C2, as value of C2 is 0, so after putting the value of C1, these two equations becomes EI dy by dx minus ml x square by 2 plus mx minus L by 2 plus ml by 24. Okay, and this equation is EI by minus ml x cube by 6 plus mx minus L by 2 square by 2 and ml by 24 x. Just put in the value of C1. Okay, now if you want to find out the deflection at midpoint, so x at midpoint is L by 2. So putting L by 2 in this equation, this is L by 2, so this is L cube by this is L cube by 8 or L cube by 48, and this will be 0 because this term is negative when we put x sorry When you put x is equal to L by 2, this will be 0 because L by 2 minus L by 2 is 0. Okay. And this term will be ml square by 48, and this will also be ml square by 48. So this is minus, this is plus, so this is actually 0. So answer to question number 7 is C. Now we put x is equal to L by 2. If we put x is equal to L by 2, so this term will be 0. Okay, and this will be ml by 24, and this term will be ml by ml by ml square by 8. So 8 24 minus 8, it will be ml by 12 here. And if we put x equal to 0 to find out the slope at end point, okay, so then this term will be 0, this term will be 0, then it will be ml by 24 here. Okay, so so 1 3 4